la-da-da. It's as fun as it sounds.
Give it up for Miss Songbyrd. She's got a couple more pieces for you all a little later on, but I wanted her to just go get something to drink and save her vocals for a minute and bless us at the end of the show. So we got another special guest in the house as well, but we're going to do one more before we bring him up. Can you guys come up for Melissa's favorite song?